Guys, what's up? It's Sharee. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 easy and simple ways to wear your hairstyle for this summer. In other words, I like to call it the lazy girl way because let's face it guys, I am a lazy girl. If there is any way that I can do my hair in as little time as possible, I am for it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys just that. So with that being said, let's just jump right into this video. The first hairstyle that I'm going to be doing is the twisted half top knot. To start on this hairstyle, I'm just going to take about a ½ inch section right in the middle of my head, and I'm going to create a twist. So basically, I'm just going to take some hair at the very top of my head, and I'm going to start twisting it, and as I twist upwards, I'm going to keep adding hair to that twist until I go up as high as I would like. Once I have reached the top of my head, I'm just going to take the actual twist and just keep on twisting it to make sure that that twist is nice and tight. And then once that is nice and tight, I'm going to part the twist into 2 sections and pull it as tight as I can. And with the bobby pin, I'm going to secure that all into place. So I like to take my bobby pin and I like to poke it right into the twist so that everything is hidden. And that is about it though. Basically, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side right here. I'm just going to add another section. I'm going to do the same thing by twisting it all up. So this version right here is my lazy girl way compared to the braided hairstyle because let's face it, I do not have time to braid my hair in small sections, so twisting it is another great alternative for this hairstyle. So I'm going to be creating 2 twists on either side of the centered twist. So basically I'm just going to keep doing the same exact thing, no big deal. And yeah, I'm just going to secure that tightly with the bobby pin, and with the other side I'm going to just do the exact same thing. So here's a twisted look on its own. You can definitely wear this hairstyle as is, but for me I like to add a knot on top because that's personally what I like. So before I do that, I'm just going to spray my hair with this texturizing spray to give my hair a lot more texture. And then I'm just going to gather up the hair that I used in the twist, and I'm just going to create a messy top knot. So I don't do my knot in any specific way. I just like to grab my hair with the ponytail and just twist around and then play around with the bun and just pin it into place until I have the look that I like. And that is pretty much it. That is the look. I absolutely love this look. This look definitely takes no time at all, a lot more easier than doing the braids. Look number 2 is a cute and flirty ponytail. To start off with this hairstyle, I like to take my hair at the top and just tease it a little bit just to give my hair a lot more volume. So I'm just going to go ahead and just tease as much as I can here and then spray that with hairspray. And once I've teased enough, I'm just going to comb it back. And then I'm going to take that top section and then twist it up into the back like so. And with a bobby pin, I'm just going to secure that into place. So this basically is just going to give me a little bit of an oomphy, poofy look at the top, if that makes any sense at all. But you guys get what I'm talking about here. So there you guys have it. I have a little bit of volume on top. And what is next is just bringing the whole entire head of hair up into a high ponytail. Telling you this is a very simple and easy look, and a look that I like to do if I am in a rush in the morning and I still want to have a cute ponytail. So I'm pretty much just going to put all of that hair up, and then I'm just going to loosen up the hair just to give it more of a kind of cute, flirty messy look because I like the messy ponytails. And I'm just going to pull some hair out on the sides of my face to frame it a little bit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a small section of hair from the ponytail and I'm going to create a small braid. And once I'm done with the braid, I'm just going to loosen that up a little bit to kind of make the braid look a little bit fuller. So I'm just going to pull on the braids like so. And once I've done that, I'm just going to secure that with a small hair tie. Now with the braid, I'm just going to wrap it around the actual ponytail just to disguise the look and also to kind of give it somewhat of a style. And then flipping my hair down, I'm just going to take the bobby pin and secure that braid into place. So what I like to do is just push the bobby pin underneath and going towards the ponytail, because by doing this, it's going to give my ponytail a little bit more volume. And then adding more hairspray to kind of give it more texture, because y'all know I love texture on my hair. And speaking of texture, I'm just going to go ahead and start teasing that a little bit more because I still want my hair to have more volume because my hair is super thin and I want the look of a full ponytail. And basically that is it. Super simple yet super cute and flirty. The third and final look for today is the messy bun with a headband. So to do this look, guys, there basically is no right or wrong way. You're just going to just do a normal messy bun as you guys normally would. I just like to pull all of my hair all the way up. And then I just grab my hair like I do so here. And then I'm just going to pull my hair tie through, but I'm not going to pull the hair all the way through, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to take the hair and then just twist it into the ponytail. And then I usually like to just fluff out my bun until I get that nice full look that I like. And then with some bobby pins, I'm going to pin all of that into place so that the bun will not go anywhere. Now for the headband, I'm just using a piece of material that I have left over from a shirt that I cropped. So if you guys are cropping your shirt, maybe next time try not throwing it out, because you can definitely use it like a headband like I'm doing here. So for the first look, I'm just going to tie the headband on top of my head and then tie the bow underneath as I'm doing here. And that is the first headband look. And I think that this look is super rad. And then for the second look, I'm going to use that same headband, but I'm going to tie it from the bottom and with the bow on top. And basically that is about it. This is a good way to kind of dress up your messy bun if you don't want to do anything else fancy to it. This definitely spices up the look a little bit, and I have to say this is another one of my favorite looks. So that is it for this video. That is my 3 favorite easy summer hairstyles that I like to do on my hair. Let me know which look that you guys like. Also, if you guys do enjoy what you're seeing here today, please hit that subscribe button if you are not already, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I have a new video posted. I'm also on social media, so please follow me on there. Other than that, that is about it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!